आज के WhatsApp पे Imad Shah talks about his film Little Zizou and his forthcoming films, and we tell you how to beat the exam stress on WhatsApp helpline.
What's up? Welcome to Pepsi Empty. What's up? The voice of Youngistan. अभी I am outside Thadumal Chahani Engineering College जो है बॉम्बे में, and inside इनका annual college fest जिसका नाम Trifles is right now happening. It is very exciting, and I hope you guys all had a very safe Holi. लेकिन tell me man, actually क्या हम actually safe है youngsters होकर? I mean देखो तो there's so much ragging, इतनी shooting हो रही है. What is Youngistani up to man? This is just not okay. मतलब जर्मनी को देखोगे, उधर एक teenager, he was graduated from his college, वो वापस गया and he opened fires and 16 people died. So how safe are we really? Come, youngsters से पूछते हैं कि how safe do they feel? जर्मनी में जो हादसा हुआ था, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये कभी भी हमारे इंडियन स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस में हो सकता है?
I don't think so.
क्यों नहीं यार?
Even if our professors are boring and we hate attending lectures, I don't think we have a grudge against them.
अच्छा तो आप मुझे बताइए, क्या आपको लगता है कि अगर इन स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस में काउंसलिंग होती अवेलेबल टू दी स्टूडेंट्स कि ये सब नहीं होता?
You know, it would play a great impact on the children, and they would learn much more about it, and they'll be, you know, much more on the safer side. And
मदद करता है. Alright, cool. Thanks. And till then, you guys, please go check out EGOS. There is a Jose talking to Imad Shah.
Jose met the humble Imad Shah. And this is what followed.
Nazaruddin Shah's son. What's that like, man?
It's really bad, yeah. You know, my phone is just ringing the whole time. I'm booked till 2080. A bad life. It's a horrible life.
Okay, you're in a film, Little Zizou. Who's this?
Yeah, that's right. There he is, Little Zizou, man. That's Jahan.
Hey, Jahan, what's up? Cool.
He's the star of the film.
तेरा role क्या है picture में? I mean, what's the deal?
Actually, ना इसका role जो है वो मतलब बहुत अच्छा बड़ा role है, but I am the one who is actually taking the story forward. Yeah, I've been trying very hard not to overshadow him, but सब कभी-कभी हो जाता है.
Your dad being Nazaruddin Shah and all.
Has
he launched you?
वो क्या है ना, मेरा डैडी लॉन्च करने वाला था मुझको. But I was not happy with the role. The launch was planned, everything was happening. A launch party भी हो गई थी उसका. Tina Ambani had come and cut the ribbon. Everything was sorted. But then the text of the script, na, it was not really up to the mark.
You didn't like it?
No,
तेरे को पसंद नहीं आया?
It was a bit too futuristic. कुछ वो 2050 में कोई story set की थी.
Oh, that Harman.
So then I finally Harman Baweja, what was his name? Harman Baweja ended up doing the film. Yeah. Okay. And I'm very glad he did it.
You got something lined up after Little Zizou?
There are big plans. It's a collaboration with some of my colleagues and friends, like such as Momo. Momo Chakravarti.
Mimo, you mean?
Sorry, I mean to say Mimo.
Mimo, okay.
So Momo's there and a few other people are there. I will not disclose their names right now. Coming together, very great minds. It's like that.
Great minds.
Yeah. Sorry, it's the other phone. Actually, I've just been getting hounded, these days.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is again. He's calling me. He's been calling me at least 15 times a day.
Who? Kaun?
Danny, man. He really should get a life, yeah. I mean,
Danny?
I think I'll just cut his call, yeah. Danny should really...
Kaun Danny?
Apna Danny, yeah.
Deng Zong Pa?
No, Deng Zong Ka nahi. Boyle. I'm telling you.
Boyle? Slumdog Millionaire?
This guy, he's making a James Bond film. Well, he wants me to play a major part in that. Of course, he doesn't want me to play James Bond himself.
Oh, okay.
I told him that I wouldn't be part of a James Bond film for anything less than James Bond. And he seemed to be very insulted by that. Yeah, yahi hai, apna style. Kya kare?
I guess, yeah, you're right.
So now, if you don't mind, I would like to spend some time alone.
Okay. Nice.
Remember to get the DVD from Pramod.
Sorry, what?
The DVD. हाँ, Pramod bhai. एक बंदे आ रहे हैं, उनको एक अपना वो दे देना, अपना teaser. हाँ. My name is Shah, Imad Shah.
ये क्या हो रहा है बदतमीजों? कैसे हरकतें कर रहे हैं? तुम्हारे माँ बाप नहीं देख रहे टीवी पर, तुम कैसी चीजें कर रहे हो? माय गुडनेस, कभी शर्म नहीं आती इन लोगों को? ये सेलिब्रिटी लोग ना कभी नहीं सीखेंगे। तो आप मुझे बताइए यार, ये पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है कि ये एक्चुअली इनकी इमोशंस है कि यू नो दे डोंट गेट अलोंग एंड ऑल? आइए यंगस्टर से पूछते हैं, आपको क्या लगता है यार, ये पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है कि दीज आर एक्चुअल रियल लाइफ इमोशंस?
एब्सोल्यूट पब्लिसिटी स्टंट।
और आपको क्या लगता है?
प्योर पब्लिसिटी, प्योर।
और आपको लगता है दिस एक्चुअली वर्क्स, इनका पब्लिसिटी स्टंट एक्चुअली काम करता है?
Sort of. Quite a bit. Actually, they don't really need it. Yeah, they actually don't need it because they are Shah Rukh and Amir. So.
Time pass, man. What you guys are doing here? Seriously. अच्छा, and on the other hand, अगर इन दोनों की real life में लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ, मतलब like you know punching and boxing, कौन जीतेगा?
As of now, Amir Khan. Yeah. As per now, Amir.
Why Amir, man?
8-pack, 6-pack, whatever you call it. Same here. 8 packs.
Alright, whatever it may be, man. अच्छा stress buster तो है, लेकिन आप सब students के लिए what is a good stress buster during exams? Ayushman, information please.
एग्जाम्स में पेपर सामने आते ही हम सब कुछ भूल जाते हैं, हम अचानक ही गजनी बन जाते हैं। क्या था आंसर इसका? क्या था? व्हाट्सएप हेल्पलाइन पर आयुष्मान आपके साथ है। क्वेरी सॉल्व करने के लिए एग्जाम्स रिलेटेड हमारे साथ तरुण है टीसेक से, जिनके पास बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है।
माय एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग ऑन, तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, हमें बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स स्टडी करने रहते हैं, तो सब चीज़ें याद कैसे रखें हम?
मैं रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ सेल में अपने पढ़ के, और फिर वो 2-3 बार सुनता हूँ।
मैं ये बात का ख्याल रखता हूँ कि मेरे पैंट में काफ़ी पॉकेट्स है और उसमें स्टफ़ काफ़ी भरा हुआ है जो चाहिए मुझे एग्ज़ाम में।
मतलब आप चिट्स बनाते हैं?
या
You can use flashcards for the material. एक visual aid है, important facts को एक कार्ड पर लिखकर keep flashing it in front of your face, जब तक याद ना हो जाए तब तक, एकदम गजनी स्टाइल। Next tip is audio learning. इसमें कॉलेज के बाद किसी quiet environment में you can tell your friend to ask questions repeatedly. इससे दोनों को याद करने में हेल्प मिलती है। तीसरा टिप है touch learning. Oh, okay, don't get me wrong. इसमें you can type down whatever you're learning. इससे you start thinking about facts और उन्हें अपने वर्ड्स में लिख सकते हैं। एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आप भूल जाते हो, लेकिन ये टिप्स जो हमने आपको दिए हैं ये मत भूलना। They are very handy and practical. Send in your queries at whatsapp@mtn.com. This is WhatsApp Helpline. See you tomorrow.
Alright, तो hopefully that helped you all. मदद तो हुई ना? Oh my goodness, ये क्या हो रहा है? ओए, 1000 रुपए दो।
क्यों?
अरे क्यों का मतलब यार, आप लोग अखबार नहीं पढ़ते, आपको मालूम नहीं कि यहाँ रूल है, लॉ है कि अगर आप सड़क पर चल रहे हो और वो साइलेंट जोन है, मतलब आप हॉर्न नहीं बजा सकते, तो आप फाइन हो जाओगे। आइए यंगस्टर्स को पूछते हैं, सिंस दे आर ऑलवेज इन देयर कार्स, कि क्या उनको मालूम भी है कि साइलेंट जोन्स कहाँ है महाराष्ट्र में? आइए पूछते हैं। आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि मुंबई में साइलेंट जोन कहाँ है?
Outside residential areas, educational institutes, and maybe hospitals.
Alright, और what do you think about it?
I think it's everywhere around. There's no place where there's no college or no residential area or hospital or a cemetery or something like that. So that just leaves nowhere.
This is the map of Mumbai, आमची मुंबई। आप इसके ऊपर जगह मार्क करो जहाँ आपको लगता है कि there is a silent zone.
I think I'll mark my college, TSEC, somewhere here.
I don't know. I'll just mark it somewhere where there's a school. See here, there's a college again, a silent zone. KJ Somaya.
Ah, smarty pants. So sir, colleges के पार. Wow, Yagistan is a very very smart people. Anyway, now you guys go check out the Pepsi MD WhatsApp poll of the day.
हाल ही में सचिन तेंदुलकर ने करंट क्रिकेट टीम को काफी प्रेज किया। According to him, this is the best one-day batting lineup he's ever played with. Well, ये तो था सचिन का कहना. But we ask you, do you think the current Indian cricket team is the best one-day side ever? SMS hi Anna to 56882 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. पिछली बार हमने आपसे पूछा था, Have you ever cheated in your exams? 33% ने कहा हाँ यार चीटिंग तो की है पर don't want to do it again. 67% ने कहा ना यार don't want to get caught cheating.
यार लोग आना चाहते हैं, उनको आने देना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? Anyway, now it's time for the best part of the show, my favorite part of the show, which is live email. तो आप मुझे बताइए आपकी जिंदगी में क्या क्या हो रहा है, स्ट्रेस ये वो बताइए।
सबसे पहला बात, I am in the final year of engineering, so I have a project to make. And the final year project really is very difficult and life sucks because of that.
क्या यार अपने कॉलेज स्टूडेंट से इतना एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो तुम लोग, बेचारे इतने स्ट्रेस हो गए बोल भी नहीं सकते, सीरियसली। Anyway, you guys keep sending us more emails. Tell us आपकी जिंदगी में क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, क्या आप चाहते होना चाहिए। And if you want us to be there, we will be there. The email is whatsapp@mtvineyard.com. Keep watching Pepsi MD WhatsApp, the voice of Youngistan.